Most people still think money travels. When I send money today, what actually moves and what doesn't?
What actually moves is my intent to pay somebody. It's my intent on an information network saying, hey, I want to pay ABC person. And that intent gets transferred to my bank, where there is something known as a ledger. In my name, that bank is written, is got a ledger, which is basically a place to store information. Earlier it used to be books, now it is computers. When my intent reaches there is a authorization there, because first the bank has to say कि बंदा सही में अनूप पे है कि कोई fraud है, right? Before mobile banking, before internet banking, there used to be phone banking. So you would call the bank and you would have a secret password that you had to say on the phone. And then that lady or whoever would type it into that system that she had, that would match. Then she would say, hey, what can I do for you types. Once that intent reaches there, the bank will check ki boss, iske paas ye paisa hai ki nahi. Paisa hai to the guy's instruction has to be met. But as a bank, I can go a little further. I can be a little saying, hey, paisa nahi hai, but I'll immediately loan online khol dunga tere liye, right? So I can say I'll open a loan ledger for you separately. So this is how much money you have. I will put another ledger for you, which is how much ever you need. And I'll send the instruction to the other guy's bank saying, okay, money received. And that goes through the whole NPCI, whatever, network of computers. It reaches the other guy's bank. And that bank says, the other guy's name will be there or some identity will be there. He'll say, okay, where is the ledger for Clinton? Find the ledger, add whatever money came, and job done. Both computers, both mobile phones get the okay, done wala scene. You'll get the tick mark.
The COBOL system, right? So most people have no idea that when they swipe their card or check their balance, they're interacting with the code that's older than the internet itself.
Yeah, older than the current internet for sure, right? So because these are storing data of crores and crores of people, and who are all transacting very heavily, because banking system, everything hits that core system. Those systems originally were built in COBOL. I mean, I started my career with COBOLs, and COBOL was good for the banks at that time. It was not too technical, right? It was a common business oriented language. So you could be less technical when you did COBOL programming, right? Therefore, it was pretty much the syntax and everything looked like English. Therefore, banks trusted that language a little bit more.
Can you hack into a bank and create a ledger saying I have this much amount of money?
Maybe it's technically possible. I mean, I won't put anything past hackers, but it is a crime which will put the person who did that crime behind bars for a long period of time.
Was there an incident where somebody hacked into a bank and created their own ledger and